YouTube, what's cracking? It's Mike Black. I'm out here in the boat with Jim. We're trying to figure out why this boat won't run. Get up to speed. You guys can hear that. Hear how it clicks every once in a while here on the tone. Go ahead, nail it. Nail it. I'm gonna ask my YouTube buddies what they think. See what? Yeah, we want to zero the nails so these two guys can see. When the nails do time, and it doesn't nail all the way. I mean, this is ridiculous. Granted, it's beautiful out. On a gorgeous Wisconsin lake. Got good water. We're reading that motor. It's not allowing us to grab. There it comes. That was supposed to win. It said that. Bring it back to zero on Florida again. Yeah, but do it quick. Try it again, neutral, and then quick. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Use your body feeling. Wow, and it shots you right out of the water. See how that motor's running, babies? It's not running for shit. I just need to fly up to it. We can go. We do all kinds of stuff to it. That's the point. The point was it was legitimately bought and paid for. And it should legitimately work. The neighbors who had to go out and make sure that we had a ticket because they said we parked too close.
So, you think I'll just clean the carbs out?
Yeah.
Alright.
Boy, these houses are gorgeous, but you put them one right on top of each other.
Hey, would you? Oh, shit.
Wish you well. I got clientele. They got 2 phones.
Great. Now it's on the rope.
One for the low. Need me to move?
No, I'll never get. I pick this up now. Oh, my God. Yep, now that's right. Rope, there we go.
So me moving won't help?
No.
It's getting kind of chilly because the sun is silly. That is a beautiful sunset over there. There's the gays in the red boats that keep driving up our asses all day. What, you lost it?
No, it's... Oh, I got one. He just came out and hit it.
I told you.
You see it?
Wow, why is his head torn out? Oh, never mind. I was going to say, why is his head torn off? Here, let's see.
It's a little bit.
Fish on right away. We're going to, of course, let him... No, bring it home for your fish tank.
Well, I have to put it together. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, we can put some fresh water in there real quick tonight.
Yeah, but I got to clean it out.
Come on. Put them in your cooler. Let's put water in there. Let's save them and feed them bugs. And
I did. I used to have a bunch.
Come on.
I used to have 2.
Let's keep it for the house.
What?
Let's keep it for the house.
I used to feed them little minnows and stuff.
Oh, yeah, those are fucking the most resilient fish on earth. If your regular gay little lame-ass fish can eat the little flakes, then that guy can live on all kinds of good shit. Oh, and you just pull the plug and the juice goes right in there? Jim? Jibbo?
What?
If you pull the plug inside of there, it automatically equalizes and the water goes in there?
Yeah. Yeah, then you just put the blood back in. Right?
Motherfuckers.
That's a little drive, a little blood away.
And he didn't get hardly hurt at all. He just got struck in the lip a little bit there.
Yeah.
So nothing he won't recover 100% from.
Oh yeah, did you see him come up and hit it?
Yeah. This must be the spot. Right on these docks. Probably over in between that triple baton pontoon. They probably got a whole school of them over there.
Oh yeah, they're all underneath these.
Awnings and all that shit where the spiders go, where the flies go.
Six ones. Well, I got a couple bigger ones, but.
Let's take a picture of this fucking guy. That he can go so fast around this motherfucker.
Especially when you're fishing and standing in a boat. So flying by a guy. You know what I mean? Not cool, but you could have slowed down before you got this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where they all are. He waited and then comes within fucking 2 feet of our ass. Oh, you missed him.
Yeah, he hit.
Yeah, but you pulled too fucking early.
No, I got him. Maybe not.
You fish on it.
Could just be a weed right now. Sometimes they just nick the top of the weeds and it feels like a lot of weeds around here.
Quit splashing me. Boy, you're splashing me. Can't you do it fucking down there?
I can.
I can't hey, yep, this is my last time for a while in Wisconsin Lake, buddy. Hopefully not too long, but I bet you a couple of years. At least a year. I see how that's awesome. Boy, you keep splashing me. I know, but it's not funny. I'm all in dry clothes. You know, it'd be like if I was doing something to you, but I'm not. I'm just not hurting anyone.